The secret to a perfect fish curry is the right marination and balanced spices. Let's recreate this in the new Philips OneChef. First, let's prep the marination. In a bowl, add pomfret fish pieces, lemon juice, turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Mix well. And leave aside to marinate for a bit. Now press the power button, select curry mode, followed by Tadka preset and press start. Add coconut oil to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add methi seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves, garlic and onion paste and cook for about 5 minutes. Add ginger, turmeric powder, degi red chili powder, coriander powder, fresh tomato puree and cook for another 5 minutes or until the masala thickens. Select curry mode followed by fish preset and press start. Add coconut milk, water, salt to taste and let simmer for about 5 minutes. Add the marinated fish and kokum or tamarind pulp. Give it a gentle mix. Cover with a special glass lid and let cook for about 5 minutes until the fish is done. Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot with steamed rice. This is sure to become your go-to fish curry, made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.